Augustine, and I was at a coffee shop and they had some succulents. So we started talking about succulents, and then the lady there told me about this place, so I came to check it out. This is a Rapsilis, $20. And then look, Hoya, whatever that is, lots of Hoyas. And then this fuzzy looking cactus here, that's cool. And more Hoyas everywhere. And $10. I think that's a good price, right? These are cool. The Madagascar palm tree. I don't know what that is. Yep, we're looking, checking it out, trying to see if we see succulents. It's really cold. Oh my gosh, look at that. It's like a beautiful jungle in here. I see a flapjack and some agaves. Lots of agaves as well. Ooh, here we go. I have these. Ooh, look at the pearl plant. Oh, look at this one. One-piece tail. Is that a rat's tail? Oh, but that's a little pot for $30. If it was $10. I'm shaking. Okay, let's see. This is $20. This is not a good deal. You see these at Home Depot. This size for I think $8.90 something. Cactuses. I don't know if I'm allowed to report. Yeah. Look at all these cactuses. Lots of stuff here. Look, that's the one I have. My poor husband is cold. He's wearing shorts. You're not cold? Oh, look. Oh, wait. That's sick. See? That's not what it's supposed to look like. Those are, like some type of bug. And some of that was what I was saying that was on that blue cactus that I had purchased. So, yeah, that's not good. So keep an eye out for that. You don't want that on your plants. Oh, look. No. This is supposed to be variegated and they just look like this. Yeah. It's telling me about the music that's playing in the background. Look, is that a twisted one? Oh my gosh. Anyways, I'm gonna turn it off, guys. Or no, I'll just put some music in the background for this area. There's more over there. So much to look at. Look at this big one. And then there's little ones. Oh my gosh, the price. of messing it up in the car with something. These avoiders are really pretty. This one is super cute. What is this? No, come here. But look at this opening. This opening looks rounded. Super cute. Look at these. I'll put this one aside because it looks blue and I like how defined those edges are. And then look at this crescent plant. But yes, just real quick, I want to show you guys that. Look, they've got lots of beautiful plants. Look at this variegated over there. Variegated paws. So much. Look at this cute pot here. And cactus is $10. That's a great deal. Super great deal. This one here. So that's good. Guys, so I'm at a flea market in St. Augustine. This is something that me and my husband really love to do when we are out of town, is going to thrift stores and flea markets and just looking around and, you know, antique stuff and just seeing what treasures we find. And I've never shown you guys this, so I figured that I would do that. And yeah, I hope that you guys like seeing this. There's always a lot to look at, so, and normally I move pretty quickly because, well, you know, we're trying to see as much as we can. So I'll take little, you know, short videos just to show you guys a little different side of me. How cute are those? Those are cute knickknacks and stuff. I did see plants earlier, but I went by them too quickly. We did not foresee that it would be so much colder over here than over there where we're from, West Palm. But yeah, it's been in the 50s, and I was super lucky to find this super cute coat for only $6. Yeah, I know, you're right. We got essential oils over here.
You drove by here going to Georgia.
Yeah. Maybe that's what it is. I don't know. Guys, I know sometimes you'll see me that I stop recording, and that's because if I see people, I don't want people to see me recording and feel uncomfortable. So yeah. License plates. Tons of signs in here. To walk fast because there was somebody behind me. What hidden treasures are in here and we don't know about it? Some type of antique. You guys watch rodeo show? You've seen that? People without knowing, they'll buy something and then turns out it's worth a lot of money. That's cool. This is, I bet she sells them like this, like the whole little fairy thingy. That's cute. That's cute. So cute. Cute. all the music in the background. Beautiful. My trip from St. Augustine. I had a great time with my husband. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. It was a little bit different, so I hope you guys enjoyed seeing that. These are the plants that I ended up getting at that Lowe's. They had some really nice looking plants. I'm really happy to add them to my collection. That one. I don't believe they have names. Yes, I get it. Just says like the species type. Let's see. Focus right there. And then this one. This one I saw before I purchased that it has a little bit of possibly scales. So I'm gonna treat it before it gets worse. What is it? Some type of crested Apuntia, I would say. Let's see, it has the name right there. Right there. There you go. That's the name of that one. And then this beautiful Opalina. It's very pretty. So pretty. Here it is. Opalina. So pretty. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Guys, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and thank you for watching. Have a blessed day.